Starting with the concept object oriented programming, OOPS concept. Object oriented programming is a powerful programming paradigm that focuses on the creation and manipulation of objects, which are instances of classes. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamental concept that underpin OOPS and how they can be applied to develop robust and scalable software solutions. Then we'll go forward in the topic encapsulation. There are four types, in which starting the data handling. In data handling, encapsulation is a practice of building by binding data and methods into a single unit called a class and hiding the internal implementation details from the outside world. Then there is a second type of encapsulation, that is access control. Encapsulation allows for the control of access to class members, ensuring that only the necessary information is exposed to the users of the class. Then, in the modularity in encapsulation, by encapsulating related data and methods, classes become self contained and independent, promoting modularity and maintainability in software design. Then we'll go forward for abstraction, which in encapsulation that supports abstraction by hiding the implementation details and exposing only the necessary information, allowing for the creation of more abstract and intuitive interfaces. Then there is a next topic, abstraction. In abstraction, we can see three types: simplification, generalization, and interfaces. In simplification, abstraction is the process of focusing on the essential features of an object or a concept while hiding the unnecessary details. And in generalization, abstraction allows the creation of general purpose classes and interfaces that can be used across different contexts, promoting code reuse and flexibility. Then we'll go forward for the interfaces. Abstraction is often realized through the use of interfaces, which defines a contract and of expected behavior without specifying the implementation details. Then there is a next topic called inheritance. There we can see a tree diagram in which there are three types: code reuse. In code reuse, inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and methods from a parent class, promoting code reuse and avoiding duplication. In second point, hierarchical structure, inheritance creates a hierarchical relationship between classes where derived classes can specialize or extend the functionality of their parent classes. And in polymorphism, inheritance enables polymorphism where objects or derived classes can be treated as instances of their parent classes, allowing for dynamic method dispatch. In polymorphism, there are four types: method overriding, method overloading, dynamic binding, and code extensibility. In method overriding, polymorphism allows derived classes to provide their own implementation of methods defined in their parent classes, enabling dynamic behavior. In second point, method overloading. Polymorphism supports method overloading where a class can have multiple methods with the same name but different parameters, providing flexibility in method invocation. In dynamic binding, polymorphism enables dynamic binding where the specific implementation of a method is determined at runtime based on the object's type. And in the last, code extensibility. Polymorphism promotes extensibility by allowing the addition of new derived classes without modifying the existing code. The second point, objects and classes. What is classes? Classes are the blueprints or templates that define the structure and behavior of objects. encapsulating related data and methods. And objects means that are instances of classes created at runtime and can access the properties and method defined within their respective classes. Inheritance. Inheritance, in which classes can inherit properties and methods from other classes, creating a hierarchical relationship and promoting code reuse. And the last, encapsulation. Classes encapsulate data and method, hiding the internal implementation details and exposing only the necessary information to the outside world. New topic, that is methods and attributes. There are three types in this: attributes, methods, and encapsulation. Attributes are the data members of a class that store the state or properties of an object. The next is methods. Methods are the functions or behaviors defined within a class that operate on the object's data and provide the necessary functionality. And third, encapsulation. Attributes and methods are encapsulated within a class, allowing for the control of access and the hiding of implementation details. Then we are having the last topic, constructors and destructors. Constructors are special methods that are automatically called when an object is created, initializing the object state. And destructors are special methods that are automatically called when an object is destroyed, allowing for the cleanup of resources and the release of memory. The last point is life cycle management under the constructor and destructor. That is, constructors and destructors work together to manage the life cycle of an object, ensuring that is properly initialized and cleaned up when it is no longer needed. Thank you.